This is Austin with Onewheel Parts, and today we're going to be installing the 357 Katanas. That's right, not only do these rails look insanely sick, but they offer superior stability on off-road and trails. So we'll start with our board fully disassembled, and I like to start on the side that has the cable linking the battery box and the controller together. Just makes it a little bit easier. So we'll start with the controller, just pop those two screws in. Then we'll move on to the back side and pop in those two screws for the battery. Alright, I like to start with the wheel sort of sideways. That way it just makes it easier to get the hub bolts in. We are using the crazy hubs in this video, but the stock axle blocks are going to be just fine. Alright, we'll pick our height adjustment. We do have two height adjustments on these rails. The top holes are going to lower that board 5/8 for a little bit more stability. And the bottom holes are going to be stock. Now once we got those hub bolts in, we're going to flip the board right side up. We're going to be using the retainer clip from Tech Rails. That way our motor plug isn't coming unplugged, shorting, arcing, none of that bad stuff. So we'll slap that on there. And now we're ready to put the next rail on. So it's going to be the same process with this one. We'll just put it on. I like to stick the hub bolts in first just so everything's stable, it's not shifting around. And then we'll pop the other 4 screws in, 2 for the battery and 2 for the controller. And then once those are all done, we're ready to assemble the rest of the board. So let's get our foot pad on there, throw our 2 bumpers on. This board is looking clean. And there we have it, fully built up, and you're ready to shred some trails, baby. This has been Austin with Onewheel Parts. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.